The LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Stylo-series of smartphones from LG. So I was googling the LG Stylo 4, and I came across this page from LG's website here, so this is where this is at. So I'm guessing this page is legit and all real and whatnot. So yeah, if you guys want to get updates on the Stylo-series of smartphones from LG, you guys can sign up to get updated on when the Stylo devices will get released and stuff like that. So as you guys can see right here, just fill in your first and last name, email, zip code, your carrier, and I guess your current phone. That's optional. You can also receive emails from LG about their products and stuff like that. If you guys want to do that, that's also optional as well. It says they experience the new LG Stylo and Stylo Plus, featuring revolutionary technology and a sophisticated design. LG Stylo devices deliver substance, style, and innovation right to the palm of your hand. Whether you use your mobile device for texting, talking, video chatting, working on files, apps, and games, or capturing the moments of a lifetime, the LG Stylo and Stylo Plus can do it all beautifully. Sign to receive the latest LG Stylo updates about its impressive range of features first, and be among the first to see its stunning design. We will also share the LG Stylo release date and let you know where you can find and purchase the device and its accessories in your area. So that's why LG asks us for your zip code there. In addition to the LG Stylo and the LG Stylo Plus, we offer a full range of cutting-edge smartphones, mobile devices, and accessories. Explore our current collection and see how we are making it easier to connect when it matters most. And you can select your language and country. Mine is US English, so basically you just log it, you sign up for it, and that's what I'm gonna do here. I'll be right back. So I did sign up for the Stylo update. So as you guys can see here, after you sign up for it, you see this message right here. It says thank you for signing up. Take a moment and check your email filter to ensure that LG's latest and greatest make their way into your inbox, and keep your eyes peeled for an upcoming news, offers, and more from LG. In a few seconds, you'll be redirected to the latest LG Stylo products. Connect with us. So it's going to redirect me here. So this is the Stylo 3 that they're showing here. They got the boost version, the red mobile version, and stuff like that. Pickup version. This is the Stylo 3. So that you guys will be brought to this page right here. You can select your carrier and all that good stuff. So after you sign up, you'll be directed here. So yeah. So that's all pretty much it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.